t-shirts, sleeveless shirts, hats, pajamas, swimwear, dresses and a skirt, 12 pair of blue jean shorts, black shorts, a pair of pink shorts, pants, and business casual shirts. All my shoes, my picture books and pictures, a dry erase board, my glasses, my notebooks and journals, my laptop, my computer cord, cell phone, all these freaking knickknacks, paint supplies and my painting, all my travel size stuff, my speaker, my degree and certificate, a towel, my scarves, my sentimental nightgown from when I was a little girl, 2 vintage comic t-shirts, all my coins. I collect coins and foreign money, brand new clothes and socks that I haven't worn. And funny thing is, the whole time I've been in this country, I haven't worn socks. I've managed to find 2 pair of socks. I was going to throw them away. They're kind of old, but I'll need a pair to wear in the airport. Instead of wearing a brand new pair, I got 2 that don't match and some long old ones. I guess I'll be throwing this away. I have 2 jackets, one inside of the other one to save room, and I might have to put some t-shirts inside of there. And I already have my outfit out for the airport. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. So as you can see, I'm trying to minimalize my life down to a carry-on and 1 personal item. So I thought that being organized the way that I did, with everything in different sections like that, and doing everything ahead of time, it would cut back on some of the frustration and me feeling overwhelmed. But I have an issue with letting go. But if I got rid of most of my stuff before I came to Cambodia, that gives me a little bit of encouragement and motivation that I'll be able to get this done. But I think no matter how I do it, I'm going to be overwhelmed anyway because I have issues with letting go. So I'll have to figure out what I can keep and what I will have to get rid of. So if you would like to watch me figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of so that I can minimalize my life down to a carry-on and 1 personal item, then keep on watching. So I figured it would be much easier to take the things that I know that I'm not getting rid of, and that way I can see what I have room for in the end to do the process of elimination of seeing what I can get rid of. So the first trip that I'll be going on, that I'll be getting on the flight, I know that I'll be needing long pants. So I can start with all my pants. I'll be rolling them up. And another easy thing that I can get through is all my new stuff. So I'll put this off to the side. And my new shoes. Let me see. These. And I think I might have worn these like once or twice, so I can take those. I think all my valuable stuff that I wouldn't want to lose, I'll put it in this little carry-on bag, because airlines have been getting really skimpy lately. They've been not allowing you a carry-on, only a personal item. So you might want to look into that when you're booking your flights. So I know I'll be wearing these shorts on my second trip, and I only wore these maybe like 1 time before, so I'll definitely be taking those. I think I would like to put my pictures in my laptop. Maybe I'll take my painting with me, all the flat stuff. I'll put those in the bag and then put my shoes in there. So this is valuable. All my coin collectibles. I'll find a way to slide these in here. Maybe I'll get another bag so that they don't fall out. And I'm definitely taking this with me. So I think if I can get my last important things inside of my personal item bag, I'll be a little bit more relieved. So I'll put these 3 pairs of shoes in this bag somehow, hopefully. These 2 shirts, my glasses, I'll probably throw some of those away anyway. And my sentimental nightgown. And maybe a few of those knickknacks and a few scarves. If I can fit that stuff in this bag, then I'll be a little bit more relieved. I need to take a break. And if you have little sections like this at the bottom of your bags that's not all the way full, and you have little small items, you can stuff it all the way down in there. So I got 2 pairs of the shoes in the bag, but these are the only ones that couldn't fit. And I don't have room for my glasses. I might be able to fit some of my knickknacks in there, so let me see. I'm getting frustrated, so I need to take a break. I know I'll be getting rid of this scarf. I won't be needing that. I probably can fit these in my bag somewhere. Oh, and a good tip, you can stuff stuff inside of your shoes. That helps save a lot of room. I'll probably put all my scarves inside of the shoes. And one more scarf. I'll find some room. Oh, the other shoe. They kind of match too. Uh-oh. That might be an outfit. Alright, so what else? I need to try to fit in this freaking bag. Nothing else really can fit in here. I think I'll try to put my knickknacks in there. Some of my knickknacks in that bag. And some of my glasses. And I think I'll be satisfied. I'm probably about a third of the way through. So I'll give myself a little break and then come back after I brainstorm some more. So I'm about to see how much of these clothes I can fit in this bag. I'm going to prioritize and see what I really want to take. And sort through the rest of the stuff to see how much I can fit. So the first shirt that I think I'll take is this one. I might have only wore this maybe 3 times. It's fairly new. Same with this one. What else? Oh, I'll take this one. I'll be wearing that on another trip. This is fairly new too. Let's see. I want to wear this on my birthday. Some of these shirts are going in the trash. They so faded. I can throw this one away. This one is kind of faded or dingy. I can throw that away. I be feeling bad throwing clothes away. This is fairly worn too. Same as this one. And oh, dang, I thought I was done. So this is, so I know I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts and fit those in the bag. I'll roll those up and see if I'll keep any of these. Making sure every little inch down in the bottom is filled really good. Oh, dang, I forgot a shirt. I know I'll take that one. So now I have 3 t-shirts to pick through. I'll probably get rid of those. I don't know. I'm getting there. So this towel is big and bulky. I haven't really used it since I've been here anyway. So I'll probably get rid of that. I have a few left in the US. Get rid of this scarf. These 2 shirts. So tough throwing stuff away. I don't know. I might keep those 2 shirts. I put a dent in this one. I had this for about 2 years. I wore it to Japan. I can get another one in a different color. And I think I'll get rid of these 2 pants. These ones are huge. And these ones have a hole in them. But I have a sewing kit. And I would love to wear these to the place that I'm going to. If I have room, I'll take them. So I'll be taking these shorts. These are really old and they're big. All of my clothes are too big now. These are fairly new, but they're too big as well. And these are just so itchy and annoying on the inside. I don't even think I really wore them. Maybe once or twice. They're just so annoying. So if I can't fit some stuff, I'll probably just throw these 3 away. So I'll just put this in a pile with the stuff that I know I'm getting rid of. These big pants. I need a trash bag. I'm not going to lie. It feels kind of good getting rid of stuff. I can get the hang of this. Learning to let go. Oh, these are kind of new, so I don't want to get rid of them. I'll put them to the side. These are kind of new too, but the material is so irritating. Get rid of this. And these. I'll try to get through the clothes first and then work on the shoes and see how much space I have left. I'm about to take me a break, but I'm trying to throw some more stuff away. This is fairly new too, but I know I'll probably never wear it again. It's a nice little dress. I don't know. I might just leave it here if somebody wants it. It's so hard to get rid of stuff. I'm getting down to the wire, I guess, almost. I might be about half of the way there. I don't know. I hope I'm halfway there. And ever since losing my job, I've been in pajamas 7 days a week, 24/7. Except for when I go to the market one day out the week. I think I need to burn most of this. I'm so exhausted. I'm taking me a ghetto smoothie break. I'll be back later. Hopefully I get this done. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm trying not to stress out, so I'm taking a break. So I'm throwing these shirts, pajamas, and socks away. These white clothes away. Dingy white clothes. Whew, I'm getting there. I think I already peeped what shoes I want to throw away. Alright, let's see. So I got on about 10 pair of jeans right now. Shorts. I feel like I got on a big old pamper. So I managed to close all the layers except for 1, 2. So I have everything lined up in priority. So I'm about to put everything in here. And I guess whatever else don't fit, it won't go. I separated my shoes already too. I'm ready to get this over with. So I won't have any room for shoes. I don't know. This is super frustrating. I'm not paying any extra money for extra bags. I don't like to wait for my bags to come down anyway. Last time I waited an hour. I'm about to have a panic attack. I don't know where I'm going to put my shoes. And I think I made up my mind. I'm throwing away all these dresses. This one had mold on it, I guess from the closet. I don't know. These shirts and these pants. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with these jeans and all this stuff, but I guess I'll figure it out soon. So I think I'm throwing away all these shoes. Most of them are muddy anyway. And so much mud got on the Adidas. The glue is coming apart. A lot of this stuff is just old. I don't wear those heels really. I guess that's all going in the trash. And don't mind all that black stuff. That's my foreign money purse peeling. I'm so over it. I'm throwing all of this stuff away. I don't know which shoes I'll get to keep, but I would like to keep some tennis instead of just all brand new shoes. But these Nikes got wet when I went on a motorbike the other day. I might try to clean them up. I'll finish the rest tomorrow. So if I can get this to load, I don't know if I'll have enough space. You'll see this video. And if you do, and if you made it this far, I thank you so much as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.